English typing, legal dictation at the speed of 35 words per minute. Ready? Start. In this case, comma, in the years 1953 54, comma, a land was given on lease for 99 years, and in 1956, comma, the lease deed was cancelled by the original owners by way of a notice, full stop. In 1969, comma, the said land was bought by 67 persons, comma, however, comma, the sale deed was originally executed in the name of 4 persons, full stop. The land was subsequently divided into 67 divisions, and in 1972 the legal heirs filed a special civil suit, comma, claiming possession over the land based on the lease deed, full stop. A compromise agreement was entered into between the heirs and original owners of the property, by which it was agreed that the lease issued in 1953 was cancelled in 1956. After the cancellation, the legal heirs had no right, title, and interest in the property based on heirship, full stop. The said compromise agreement was recorded as consent decree by the civil judge, and in 1986, comma, the appellant bought land wide a registered sale deed, full stop. Thereafter, comma, legal heirs filed regular civil suit against 264 defendants, including the appellant, for declaration and permanent injunction. Full stop. The appellant sent legal notices and requested the respondents to withdraw the suit. Full stop. Since they did not withdraw the suit, comma, a contempt petition was filed before the High Court, but the same was dismissed. Full stop. Hence, comma, the matter was before the apex court. Full stop. The Supreme Court, after hearing the contentions of the counsel, noted in the present case there is no adjudication. Full stop. No doubt that the consent terms entered into between one of the predecessors in title of the respondents and the original owners have received the imprimatur of the court. However, the respondents claiming their ancestral rights over more than 2000 acres. Full stop.